Today I will tell you that how you can easily stop random people from adding you on Snapchat. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone and then you'll have to tap on your profile. Then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Snapchat account. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way, and in privacy control section you'll be able to find an option of contact me. You'll have to tap on it. Then select friends only. Tap OK. Now you'll have to go back again and then you'll have to tap on see me in find friends and make sure that you have unchecked this option. Now anybody will not be able to send you a friend request on Snapchat that is random to you. And you can also go to the chats on Snapchat and you can block or remove any friend that you uh, don't want to send you a message or snap. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.